Hello everyone, finally Blender 3.3 LTS is released with some cool features. It's a LTS version so you can work on your long-term projects with this release. Let's see what is new in Blender 3.3. First of all, a new flexible hair system is coming. It's based on geometry node system. This new sculpt mode curve gives you unprecedented control for grooming hair. The geometry node is also getting some cool updates like procedural UV unwrapping. New UV unwrapping and pack UV islands node open the possibility of creating and adjusting UV map procedurally using geometry node. Also, developers added some new nodes to the geometry node like the shortest edge path to curve, and edge path to selection. Also, there is Boolean, point, volume, and two new field nodes is coming to the geometry node. Volume cube and mesh to volume is really interesting node for now. I'll upload tutorials for these nodes so please subscribe to this channel. Grease pencil. Line art modifier is now able to calculate accurate cast shadow by using a light source as a reference. Grease pencil keyframes are now visible in the dope sheet and timeline editor. Cycles. Cycles now support a wide range of graphics cards. In this update, you can render your scenes with Intel and AMD Vega graphics cards. AMD Vega GPU has been enabled on Windows and Linux. UI changes. Outliner's library overrides mode now display all overridden property in the hierarchy using their label and icon where applicable. Motion tracking. Image plane marker allows to creation of an unwarped texture from a billboard from the footage, allowing external editing and reprojecting it back to the footage. Time-saving update. In the previous version on the Blender, if you shade smooth the cylinder, it looks like this. You need to enable auto smooth from the property panel. It was a really painful process if you have multiple objects in your scenes and you need to do these steps one by one. But now you can simply right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth and it enables the Auto Smooth option with just one click. Hope you like these new updates. For more updates and Blender tutorials, please subscribe to the channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram where I post my renders and artwork.